Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the seventh tutorial for Bootstrap for beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to write Bootstrap for contextual table classes and how to write responsive tables. How to create responsive tables using Bootstrap 4. I will explain each and every contextual table class name and how to write code for responsive tables in Bootstrap 4. Each and everything I will explain with example also. Before going to example, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail and your mobile also. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today, how to write Bootstrap for contextual classes and how to write responsive tables in Bootstrap 4. First of all, I will explain how to write what are the Bootstrap for contextual classes for tables, and next I will explain Bootstrap for responsive tables. Bootstrap for contextual table classes. Contextual classes can be used to color the whole table. Contextual classes can be used to contextual. Here I am using the contextual classes. Contextual classes can be used to color the whole table. Table rows, TD or else. Total, these are the contextual classes. Table primary, table success, table danger, table info, table warning, active, secondary, light, dark. Total, these are the Bootstrap for contextual classes for tables. Okay, I will write one by one. Here, I'm write H1 SHS Tech Solutions break responsive tables and contextual classes for tables. Tables tutorial. This is the seventh tutorial. Okay, here I am write do class container do class and not to write any class name. Table class table. Okay, head er th state last name last name first name last name city state capital country ph gmail id ph mobile number. This will check the output. This is the output. Next, I will write the small CSS for this. H1 text align center, adding 20 pixel. Yeah, okay. Bootstrap for responsive tables and contextual classes for tables. Responsive tables, contextual classes for tables, tutorial 7. Yeah, okay. Next one. Okay. The head, the body, ER, ED, totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First name baby, last name, first name city, city, okay. Next one, capital, Amaravati, first name, last name, Gmail, gmail.com. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, also check the output. Yeah, primary success, danger, warning, info, warning, info, active, secondary, light and dark. So we'll check the output. This is the output. Primary success, danger, warning, info, active, info, secondary, light and dark. Total, these are the contextual classes for tables. Next, I will write the table responsive. Here I am at the table responsive. Here table responsive. It will be automatically at the horizontal row. Horizontal row for this table only. So you can clearly observe this. I may add another headings. This is the horizontal row for table. It will be automatically responsive. Horizontal row will be horizontal, scroll bar will be added for table. Table is responsive. Only table will be scrolled. Only table will be scrolled. So guys, this is the process to write the Bootstrap contextual classes and the Bootstrap responsive tables. I hope we all understand how to write the Bootstrap for contextual classes and Bootstrap for responsive tables. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your mobile and your Gmail also. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.